Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm walking you through how to make this adorable Stitch plushie. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plush maker, this project has a little bit of everything. Embroidery, applique, darts, and even some pipe cleaner magic. So grab your supplies and let's get started. This pattern was created by Trolley Night. Link is in the description. I would highly recommend checking it out. It is one of our free patterns and very fun to make. We're starting with embroidery, the face details, eyes, and nose area. There's a lot of applique involved here, so take your time and work it in layers. Next, we're sewing the claws. These small pieces really bring character, so be sure they're symmetrical. I personally sew them by hand. I feel like it just gives me a bit more control when I am sewing, and it's a fun activity to do while I'm watching TV. With our pieces prepared, gather your supplies at your sewing machine. Keep your pattern pieces, pins, and small tools nearby. This helps things go smoothly. Sew the dart pieces on the head to give it shape. Then, attach the chin piece to the front of the face. Make sure to curve into your darts to prevent the boxy look. However, if your project does turn out boxy in the dart section, you can always fix that by using a ladder stitch. Now for those iconic ears. Sew the ear tips to the blue part first. Then, pin the pink inner ear pieces in place. Line up the ear pattern to mark where the notches go and carefully cut them out. I actually didn't know he had ear notches until I made my own Stitch plushie. Sew around the earpieces, then trim your corners and turn them right side out. Next, baste the earful to hold that iconic cute curve. Here's a fun part. Use pipe cleaners to give your ears structure. Then, once the pipe cleaners are inserted into the inner ear, baste them to the head. When sewing them on, hand turn the wheel to avoid breaking the needle and hitting the pipe cleaner. Optional step, what I like to do is take mine outside and have someone else hold it for me and then look at it from a distance to see if I like the ear placement. Baste the claws to the arms first, then sew and stuff the arms. Attach them to the body with a quick basting stitch. Baste claws to the leg pieces. Then sew the leg piece together. Attach the foot bottom. After stuffing the legs, baste them to the body. I had to redo my basting here. It happens, and that's totally okay. Attach the face to the front of the body. Sew the head darts and back darts. Then sew the head back to the body back. Leave an opening in the neck. We'll use that to turn the project right side out later. So around the body, be extra careful around the ears where the pipe cleaners are. Make sure to turn the wheel or skip this section and then sew it by hand after you are done sewing the rest of the body together. Last few steps. Sew the tail, and then for the nose, start by sewing the sewing darts all around the front piece. Then attach the back piece. Now stuff everything and sew the neck close. For the tail, use a gathering stitch to shape it. Then a ladder stitch to attach it securely to his little butt. Cut an opening in the back of the nose to turn it right side out. Stuff it, then close it with a ladder stitch. And next you will sew it onto the face. And that's it. Your own Stitch plushie is complete. This project has a lot of detail, but it's totally worth it. If you make your own, make sure to tag me. I'd love to see it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more plush tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!